Well, I love a compare question because it's an excellent opportunity to scoop up a lot of easy marks. Let's have a look at this one. It says compare the structure of an artery with the structure of a vein. Now you'll see from the numbering system here, it just says 3.5. It's part of a longer question, but it doesn't tell us to use this diagram. It's just got the diagram on there. We can use it for our help, but because it doesn't tell us to just use this diagram, we can use our own knowledge as well. So let's have a little think how we would answer a compare question. Well, surprise, surprise, answering a compare question, we're going to use comparative vocabulary. So what does that mean and what examples do we have? We can say, here we've got an artery, here we've got a vein, and here we've got a capillary, right? And the hole in the middle of each of these is called a lumen. So we can say that the artery has a smaller lumen. We don't have to say anything about the vein because we've used the word smaller, which implies that it's smaller than the vein. We can also say that the artery has a thicker elastic wall. Okay, we've used the word thicker, it's comparative vocabulary. So we don't have to say anything about the vein. We can also add that the vein has valves. Now in that instance, we haven't used comparative language. So we have to say that the arteries don't. So an answer might look like this. Arteries have a narrower lumen, comparative language. Arteries have a thicker muscular wall, comparative language. Veins have valves, that's not comparative, so that we then have to write arteries do not have valves. And there we've got, in the bag, 3 very easy marks.